Hi guys, today we are discussed about the plane type of planes in Catia V5 SAP designing. Okay, now we are at the SAP generative designing. Okay, this workbenches. So here the main command is required for making the all the SAP of automotive component. So it is the plane for making the 3D surfaces and for styling surfaces. It is the basic requirement for the plane, and type of planes are know in your knowledge. So just 1 minute I will show you by the highlighting my screen. Okay, this is the plane command. Okay, and just by highlighting okay, this command. Okay, and by the box is available by uh, plane by the name of plane command. Okay, now by the selecting this command, and this is the option of type of lines, sorry, type of planes in subgenerative workbenches. So all these types are we are making and creating the element, and by understanding what is the use of it. So please continuously watch my video continuously. If any suggestion from your side for improve my video, so please suggest me in comment. Thank you to support for my watching my video. Let's start for the first, that is the simple command like offset from the plane. Just selecting it, and just like YZ is the reference plane, so selecting this and given the input value, that is the 50. Okay, then preview, and also you can direction change by the reverse direction. Okay, and also you preview, then okay, and another option also available. If you continuously type of distance, you can require the another type of sections, means 3 4 to 3 surfaces. So you can select this type of object, repeat object after the okay, then select, then asking the repetition of the element instances. Okay, just I will input that is the 3 element. Okay, just like it is selecting the 3 element in this geometry set, but you are not required for the different geometry set. So just control Z. Okay, and by the double clicking, it is plane definition is observed in the window of the screen. So you can select the repeat and okay, and also in creating the new body. Okay, by the new geometrical set is also selected by the another geometry set of the only planes. Okay, the 5 elements are automatically created by the one click. Okay, all the commands are available for these options. Let's, I will deleting this element. Just click the delete. After that we selecting the plane again and go to the next, and in previous video I will show the line command details, and this option also automatically enables type change. You are not required, you can click by the disables options. By the I am at now the disables option, means which is I am selecting, these options are situated in my type of planes. Okay, then second option is the parallel through the point. Okay, in these options reference is the which plane is required for the reference, means I want this. Okay, for the reference. Okay, and the point, where the point is just on plane, I will putting the coordinate, that is the z value. Okay, I will z value is the 50. Okay, not 50, I will putting the 100. Okay, and also I am putting the 10 mm, sorry, 50 mm. Okay, here. Then okay, now by the selecting point and the reference plane, it is also creating this, and also you are putting this another options, reference planes like this, and also you are putting this reference planes like you are creating this is as per your requirement. Okay, it is the second options by the parallel through the point. Okay, next option is that is angle and normal to the plane. Okay, by the this angle to the normal to the plane. Okay, I just highlight it. Okay, you can show it, angle and normal to the planes. And in these options first, that is required control rotational axis, reference, angle, and normal to the plane. Okay, and by these options only two given the input value, that is the rotation axis and reference like plane surfaces, then you can execute our the angle and normal to the planes. Okay, so first we are given the rotational axis like lines. You can creating the this type of lines, creating line. Yeah, also selecting the y axis. Yeah, z axis I will selecting y axis, and also you are selecting by this axis of the line, axis of the uh, y system, y coordinate system, and also you are selecting by the right click, and also you are given this input value. Okay, then reference plane, like I will putting the reference plane is this, and this angle is 45 degrees required for the plane. So just preview it. See now, it is this plane and this plane angle is 45 degree. Okay, also we are creating the normal value like that is the perpendicular to the this planes. Okay, and the projection the reference plane, and repeat object it is the in the previous case we will also review it how to create. Okay, let's okay it. Just I am changing the angle, and after that I will measuring it. Okay, just check it and measure by the selecting this plane and this plane, that is the 45 degree angles between the two planes. Okay, then go to the next type of the line, that is the through the 3 point. So that I will selecting the 3 point. I will selecting the first point, that is just selecting it because it is also created. Okay, then second point is for that we are creating it by the create point. Okay, that is putting the value that is 15. Okay, then okay, and third point is given also creating the n point, that is 150, that is the 200. Okay, and it is 250. Okay, then okay, by the selecting the 3 point. Okay, as per the pointing the 3 point, it is creating an plane, that is the 3 through the 3 points. Okay, next is that is the through the two lines. Okay, just I selecting two lines. For that I will highlighting this 2 point. Okay, first I will creating so that go to the 2 lines. So I will create a line. For that I will selecting the point to point, first point and second point. Okay, now selecting the another point, another line is also given this, and by the 2 lines it is creating the by the 2 lines of n. Okay, 2 lines of which are situated in the 2 planes, yeah, 3 points. It is fixed it, and after that it is creating. Okay, then through point and line. Okay, so just selecting this point and this line, also creating the through the point and line. Okay, sorry, then go to the next through the plane curve, through the plane curve. So for that I will be creating the an curve. So go to the okay, in this case I am creating an curve. Just execute from the sketches, and after that I will go to the plane and normal to the curve. So here the default point is middle point is pick up, but I will given the point is this, then it is the normal to the plane curve. But you can check it when you are checking it is perpendicular to the normal to the all the point of this curve. Okay, it is most important for the sweep surface, and other than for you can execute and command, so it is required for many times. Then next command is uh, through the planar curve. Also by the ease option you can also selecting the sketches. Okay, then tangent to the surface. Okay, for that I will creating the n surface. Okay, by the cylinder, given the point, and radius is 1, and direction is given z direction. Okay, preview, then okay, then after that we are selecting the tangent to the surface by selecting the tangent of an surface, and given the point. For that I am creating the point in a curve. Okay, just clicking OK, then it is creating the normal to the okay. For that it is I will given the value 10 and 10. Okay, then okay, and I will creating this plane is the planar surface, means sorry, tangent surface. And then also you are creating the equation by the putting the value of ax plus bycz equation. Okay, and given the point like this, and also axis system you can given, and it is also normal to the compass and also parallel to the screen. And you can also check in by the selecting parallel to screen, and also you can creating by this options also. Okay, then mean through the point, by these options you are creating just first point. Okay, second point, and also third point, and also by the point of directions you can creating this type of more points by it is creating plan by the mean of the and together all the point, so it is required for an options. It is the totally type of plans in plan definitions in the Catia v5 self design, freestyling, and part designing of the Catia v5. So thank you to all for watching my video. Thank you. Thank you.